yung pong public reaffirmation of love niyo for one another before God. So, pwede po bang pambihira ngayon ko sila pinaupo patatayuan ko naman. Kaya pa po ba tumayo? Sige, ganyan na lang po. Okay, sige po. So, please, face each other. Okay? And say yes if you agree. Okay po? Okay. So, you first, Tatay Efren. Okay? Do you, Efren, take now this woman, Nanay Guy, to be your lawful wedded wife?
I do.
Okay. Do you promise to provide for and protect her to be the best of your ability?
I do also.
And do you promise to cherish her?
I do also.
Do you promise to live a godly life and follow Jesus Christ for the rest of your life to the best of your ability?
I do also.
And do you promise to be a spiritual leader of your home and be a godly example to your wife and children?
In God's name, I do.
Do you promise to raise up your children in the knowledge and fear of God according to the Bible?
Yes.
Do you promise to be faithful and to forsake her in good times and in bad times, in health and in sickness, till death do you part?
I promise.
Thank you, Tatay Efren. Now, you, Nanay Guy. Do you take now this man, Tatay Efren, to be your lawful wedded husband? Do you promise to love him unconditionally? Yes, I do. Do you promise to respect and honor him? Yes. Do you promise to submit to your husband and follow Jesus Christ and the Word of God to the best of your ability in being a godly wife to your husband and a godly mother to your children? Yes. Do you commit to raise up your children in the fear and knowledge of God according to the Bible? Yes. Do you promise not to leave nor forsake your husband in good times and in bad times, good health and in sickness, till death do your part? Till death do us part. Till death do us part. Salamat po. So, may pinipare po kayong sarili niyong vow sa isa't isa. So, okay, announcement muna daw po bago po siya magbasa ng kanyang marriage vow. Yung kanyang Bible po daw ay kailangan niya. Okay. Okay, meron po silang personalized vow. So, ladies and gentlemen, Tatay Efren and Nanay Guy would now like all of us to witness their vows to one another and to God. So, again, please, Tatay Efren and Nanay Guy, face each other. Okay? So, Tatay Efren muna po. Please read your vow to Nanay Guy.
Babasahin ko na. Para sa aking asawa, wala akong pinagsisisihan ng ikaw ay aking naging asawa. At saka kaya kita pinili. At minahal nung kaya nung una. Ganon din kita pinili at mamahalin hanggang sa muli.
Okay, it's your turn na Guy.
Una sa lahat, magpapasalamat ako sa ating Panginoon dahil narating namin ang 50 years na pagsasama. Sa hirap at ginhawa. Nagpapasakop ako sa kanya. Nagpapasakop ako sa iyo. Susuportahan kita. Kaya namin utos ng Panginoon eh. Tapos, at patuloy kong gagawin habang tayo nagbubuhat. Na magpakumbaba ako, magpasensya, at higit sa lahat, mapagmahal na asawa.
Wala naman. Kailangan palakpakan natin sila.
Tawagin tayo ng Panginoon at sasabihin na welcome, my good servant. Yun lang po.
Okay, so let us proceed now to ring ceremony. Ano po? So, ano po yung pwede niyo pong ibigay as a token of your commitment and love?
Yung sisig.
Sisig. Okay, so may I call yung pong ring bearer ho natin? So, ito po, walang duda, yung kanilang sisig.
Sikip yung ano.
So the ring is a beautiful picture of love. Agree po kayo? It's a beautiful picture of love. Bakit po? It has no beginning and no end. Thus, it sets forth the eternal nature of real love. Rings are exchanged as a token of love and trust. To a Christian, the ring is a symbol and a reminder of the promises made by the married couple to God and to one another, and to the purity of their love. It is symbolic of their continuous love for one another until it is broken by the outside force of death. The ring fittingly represents the permanency of the marriage union. So, Tate Efren, will you take this ring? And place it on Nanek's guy finger. Guy. Nanay Guy, will you receive this ring as a symbol of Efren's love for you? Okay, sige po.
Alin yung maliit muna?
Kaya niyo po magbasa ba?
Wala ko siya lamin eh.
Okay, so repeat after me na lang po.
Sige, sige.
Okay, so Guy, pwede kong pa-assist ko sa atin kung mayroong color, pakihawak po yung mic. Okay, repeat after Tate Efren.
Guy,
I love you
I love you
with a love
with a love
as never ending
as never ending
as this ring.
as this way.
As this ring.
As this ring.
This ring
This ring
is a token of my love
the token of my love
for you.
for you.
With this ring,
With this ring,
I pledge my life
I pledge my life
and my love
and my love
and all
and all
I have to you
I have to you
until death
until death
separates.
separation.
I promise
I promise
to always be faithful to you.
I promise I always be faithful
To you.
to you.
Okay, so, person,
I do.
Guy, take this ring.
Guy, will you take this ring?
Okay. And place it on Efren's finger. Ayan na po.
Hindi, ikaw ang susunod.
Kaya niyo po magbasa na.
Ay makakuha
Sige, repeat after me na lang. Efren, I too want to show my love for you,
want to show my love for you,
and I show
and I show
that love
that love
by placing this ring
by placing this ring
on your finger.
on your finger.
With this ring,
With this ring,
I pledge my life
I pledge my life
and all I have to you.
and all I have to you.
I promise
I promise
to always be faithful to you.
to always be faithful to you.
Pwede niyo na po acceptance exam.
Sige, di bali, di
Para ho sa walang idea, may nangyayari na po dito sa harapan. Okay. Naririnig niyo po ba? Kasi, okay. Mga ninang, susunod po dito